There's a specific kind of frustration that only an experienced business owner understands. It's that moment when you look at your monthly bank statement and see a dozen different subscriptions, tools that you bought because they promised to streamline your life, and yet you feel more tethered to your computer than ever. You don't need to buy more software. You don't need another all-in-one platform that promises the moon but only delivers another login to remember. What you actually need is for the software you already have to stop acting like a disconnected, messy Frankenstein. If you're watching this, you've likely already crossed the first hurdle. You've embraced AI. You've signed up for the CRMs, the project management tools, and the automated email sequences. You've done the work to modernize. But instead of the automated freedom the marketing promised, you've hit a growth plateau. You've reached a point where your business is growing, but the friction is growing right along with it. Instead of a well-oiled machine, you've built a series of isolated islands. Your lead generator doesn't talk to your CRM. Your CRM doesn't update your project management board. Your billing software is living in its own world. And who is the person stuck in the middle, manually exporting CSV files, copy-pasting data from one tab to another, and double-checking that nothing fell through the cracks? Of course, it's you. You have become the human bridge between apps that refuse to speak the same language. This is the hidden tax of a messy tech stack. It's not just the money you're wasting on overlapping subscriptions or features that you don't use. It's the cognitive drain of tech debt. It's the time you spend putting out digital fires, fixing a broken Zapier connection here, troubleshooting a sync error there, instead of focusing on the high-level strategy that actually moves the needle. You are acting as the glue for a system that should be supporting you. And that friction is exactly why you haven't been able to scale to the next level. When your systems are disconnected, your data is siloed. When your data is siloed, your decisions are based on guesswork rather than real-time insights. You're navigating a ship where every instrument is giving you a different reading. To break through this ceiling, you have to stop thinking about individual tools and start thinking about a cohesive, automated ecosystem. Imagine a transformation where friction is replaced by flow. Imagine a world where a sale isn't just a notification, but a trigger for an entire symphony of events. The contract is generated. The folder structure is built. The team is notified. And the client is onboarded. All while you are focusing on your next big partnership. Imagine an ecosystem where AI doesn't just generate text for you, but actually monitors your pipeline, identifies bottlenecks before they become crises, and moves data seamlessly from your marketing front end to your operational back end without a single manual entry. This is the dream state of the modern enterprise, the invisible infrastructure. It's a state where complex tasks happen in the background, silently and reliably, while you occupy the space you were always meant to inhabit, the role of the visionary. You've already done the basics. You don't need another tutorial on how to set up an email autoresponder or how to prompt a chatbot. You are ready for the masterclass level of implementation. You're ready to move beyond using apps and start architecting systems. This isn't about adding more layers to the cake. It's about refining the recipe so the whole thing finally holds together. I'll be hosting an upcoming masterclass specifically for business owners who are tired of the Frankenstein approach. We're skipping the beginner jargon and the introductory fluff. Instead, we're going deep into how to audit your current stack, identify the redundancies that are costing you money, and build the connective tissue that turns isolated software into a unified powerhouse. I'm going to show you how to turn those overlapping subscriptions into a streamlined, high-performance engine that fuels growth rather than hindering it. Scale is not about working harder. It's about building a structure that can carry the weight of your ambition. If you are still the primary manual operator of your digital tools, you aren't scaling, you're just compounding your own workload. It's time to stop acting as the manual bridge. It's time to stop putting out tech fires and start building the fire that drives your business forward. Your next level of scale is waiting on the other side of a well-oiled machine. You've already built the foundation. Now, let's make it move. Click the link to register for the masterclass event. Let's fix your tech stack, eliminate the friction, and unlock the true potential of the tools you've already invested in. Turn your messy ecosystem into your greatest competitive advantage.